Good morning, students. In the last lecture, I have completed this exercise 8.2. Now, let's move forward to 8.4 section of this chapter 8, Trigonometry of class 10th NCERT. Now, here, this thing I already told you, this is sine, cos, tan, and immediately moving forward to example number 9. Example 9. So, this example 9. It says that evaluate tan 65 degree by cot 25 degree. Tan 65 degree, cot 25 degree. Now see, you can see that this is tan and this is cot, and you need to express it in one either of the two form. So the simplest form is sine cos tan. So this cot will be, I will express this cot in tan in terms of tan. So you know that cot theta nothing but tan 90 minus theta. So if you substitute this value of cot here, this cot 25 degree, nothing but 90 degree. This is tan 90, this is 90 degree minus 25 degree, nothing but this tan. This is 5 here, and 8 minus 2 is 6, 65 degree. This is equal to 65, tan 65 degree. Now if you rewrite this as this can be tan, and this is tan 65 degree by tan 65 degree. So see, this becomes 1. So the answer is 1. Now second question is, if sine 3a equal to cos a minus 26 degree, where 3a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So example 10. So this is sine of 3a equal to cos of a minus 26 degree, a minus 26 degree, and is given that 3a is an acute angle, which implies that this can be like this. So this is sine and this is cos. So to have an equation between these two thetas, you need to have this two as equal. Now simpler one is sine, so I will convert cos into sine. So you know that cos of theta nothing but sine of 90 degree minus theta is a property. So which implies that if you see, this is cos of a minus 26 degree this is sine of 90 degree minus a minus 26 degree. A minus 26 degree sine, this is 26 is 64 degree minus a. So if you can see that this is 26. So this cos a minus 26 is sine 64 degree minus a. From here you can get that this sine 3a become, this is cos in place of cos 8 minus 26, it is sine 64 minus a degree, 64 degree minus a. So from here you get that both there is sine and sine here, which implies that it can be rewritten as this theta, this inside one, this is theta is equal to this theta. From here if you take a to be here, which implies 3a plus a equal to 64 degree, which implies that 4a equal to 64 degree, which implies that a equal to 64 degree by 4, nothing but a equal to 4 it's 24, equal to 16 degree, 16 degree, so a 16 degree. There if you see that the answer a is equal to 29 degree. 90 degree minus theta, and this theta is nothing 90 minus is a minus 26, a minus 26 sine of 3a. 90 minus theta, so cos of a minus 26, in place of theta I write it a minus 26, sorry, this becomes plus. So this is not 64, this is 90 plus 26. 90 plus 26, which is nothing, 116. So here you write it as 116. This becomes 116 degree minus a. This is 116 degree, and this is 116. 4a equal to 116 degree. And then 116 degree by 4, which is nothing but 4. Stay at 4 to the 8. And then 36, 136. A is 29 degree. A is 29 degree. Now next example 11. So this is express cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratio of angle between 0 to 45 degree. You need to express in the 0 to 45 degree only. So cot 85 plus cos 75. Cot 85 plus cos 75. Cos 75 degree. So if you see that this is angle and this angle both are greater than 45 degree. So you to convert it less than 45 degree, you need to convert it into this their complement form. Cos you need to convert it into tan, and sine it is get converted into cos is get converted into sine. So you know that cot theta 90 minus theta 90 minus theta, which implies second is cos of theta is from there. If you put cot at as 85 degree into tan 90 minus 85 degree, nothing but tan of 5 degree. Now from for cos theta, this is if you write is a cos theta equal to sine 90 minus theta. This is sine of 90 in place of this is cos. If I take 75 degree, this theta and then 75 degree, nothing but sine of 15 degree. So if you add the two, this equation will become in place of cot 45, I will write tan 5, this tan 5 degree, plus in place of cos 45 degree, I will write sine 15 degree. Just the answer. Just tan 5 and sine 15 degree. Tan 5 and 15 degree. Now next exercise is exercise 8.3. So this 8.3 says first evaluate these four expressions. So exercise 3, slide 8.3. Question number 1. First, evaluate sine 18 by cos 72. Sine 18 degree by cos 72 degree. Now you know that cos theta equal to sine 90 minus theta. And if you substitute the value of theta as 72 degree, this is sine of 90 minus 72 degree, which is nothing but sine of 18 degree. So if you substitute the this value sine 18 here, so this expression will become sine of 18 degree by sine of 18 degree, nothing but 1. 1 is the answer. Now second, tan 26 by cot 64. Tan 26 by cot 54 degree. Cot 64 degree. 64 degree. So you know that cot of theta nothing but tan of 90 minus theta. Now if you rewrite it as, which implies that this is cot into 64 degree is nothing but tan of 90 minus 64 degree is nothing but tan of 26 degree. So if you substitute this tan of 60 degree here, so you get that this is nothing but tan of 26 degree upon cot 64 is tan 26 degree. This will also give 1. Both answer is 1. Now next is cos of 48 minus sine of 42. So third is cos of 48 degree minus sine of 42 degree. So you know that this cos theta is sine 90 minus theta, which implies that if you substitute the value of theta as 48 degree, this is nothing but sine of 90 degree minus 48 degree, which is nothing but sine of 42 degree. So this expression will become cos 48. In place of cos 48, directly write sine 42 degree minus sine of 42 degree, which is 0. So answer here is 0. Now fourth is cosecant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree. So cosec 31 degree minus secant sec 59 degree. So you convert either of them into 1. So I am converting the secant theta. So this I know that secant theta is nothing but cosecant 90 minus theta. So if I, instead of theta, I substitute the value of as theta as 59 degree, this becomes cosecant of 90 minus 59 degree. So it's nothing but 31, cosecant of 31 degree. Now if you substitute this value of cosecant here, so the expression will become this cosecant 31 degree, this expression will become minus secant of 59 plus secant will substitute cosecant of 31 degree. This if 2 will get cancels, minus this result will be 0. It will be 0. Now second is show that this is equal to 1. The expression both to solve the both expression. So question number 2 part 1, which is tan 48 tan 23 tan 48 tan 23 degree and tan 42 tan 67 tan 42 tan 67 degree equal to 1. We need to show that this is 1. Now if you see this, so look at this is 48 and this is 42, and if you add this is 48 degree plus 42 degree, nothing but 90 degree. And similarly if you see this is 23 and 67, so if you add this is 23 degree plus 67 degree equal to 90 degree. This implies that you need to take only 2 of them as your base for solving this. I will take 48 and 23. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is written as cot of 90 minus theta. So if you substitute the value of theta as 42 degree, so this is just tan of 42 degree is nothing but cot of 90 minus 42 degree. It is nothing but cot of 48 degree. And from here only, this is tan of, if I substitute the value of 67 degree, nothing but cot of, so 90 minus 67 degree is nothing but cot 23 degree. Now if I substitute this value in here, so this expression, my expression will become, this is tan of 48 degree, I'm taking LHS, tan of 48 degree into this is tan of 23 degree. Now what is tan 42? In place of tan 42 I am writing as cot of 48 degree, and this is cot of 23 degree, which is so if I further write this, you know that so you know that this cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta. You know that. This thing you know. So which implies that cot of 48 degree is equal to 1 by tan 48 degree, and cot of 23 degree equal to 1 by tan 23 degree. So if I substitute this value in my expression, so this thing will become, this will become, see, this will become tan of 48 degree into tan of 23 degree into, in place of cot 48 I will write is 1 by tan 48 degree, and this is multiplication. This is cot 23 is 1 by tan 23 degree. Now if I say that this become this 1, this will get cancelled, and this will cancel, this will become 1. So in total the expression becomes 1 into 1 into 1, this is 1, which is equal to RHS. Hence second is show that this is cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52 equal to 0. Equal to 0. So second part is right. See the second part. This is cos 38. Cos 38 degree. Cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree sin 52 degree into 0. Now you know that cos of theta is sine of 90 minus theta. So if you substitute this value of theta as theta is, I'm saying, cos of 38 degree, which is nothing but sine of 90 minus 38 degree, nothing but sine of, so it will be 52 degree, sine 52 degree. And similarly, if you substitute this value as this, if I from there, if I substitute this value theta as 52 degree, this cos of 52 is nothing but sine of 90 minus 52 degree, nothing but sine of 38 degree. So if I rewrite this expression will become, I'm taking LHS, so this LHS will be cos 38, in place of cos 38 we will write sine of 52 degree, and in place of cos 52 we will write sine of 38 degree. So minus sine of 38 degree into sine of 52 degree. So these both, you can see that this both of equations, this both of the expression are same. So this will become cancelled, and hence 0 is the answer, and which is nothing equal to but RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Now third question. Third question. It says that if 2 tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Now tan 2a is doing that tan of 2a is nothing but cot a minus 18, cot a minus 18 degree, and 2a is an acute angle, means this, you can take that, this is nothing less than 90 degree. So you know that this is cot of theta is nothing but tan of 90 minus theta. From this you get that this, if you substitute the value of theta as a minus 18 degree, which is given in the question, so this becomes tan of 90 minus a minus 18 degree, nothing but this is tan of, this is 90 degree minus a plus 18 degree. So this becomes tan of 90 plus 18 is 108 degree minus a is cot of a minus 18 degree. Now I am substituting this value in my equation, so my equation will become, this is tan of 2a, nothing but tan of 108 degree minus a. And if you, since both are in LHS and RHS, there is a tan term, so my resultant expression will become So this theta will be equal. So the tan of tangent of something is equal to this. My inside equation will be equal. So nothing but this is 2 is equal to 108 degree minus a. From here this is 3a equal to 108 degree, which implies that a is nothing but 108 degree by 3. So a is 3 3 is 9, 18 3 6 is 18. A value of a is 36 degree. Value of a is 36 degree. Now next question is, if tan A equal to cot B, prove that A plus B is 90 degree. So next question is, if tan A equal to cot B, we need to prove that A plus B equal to 90 degree. You need not to apply much mind. From this expression you know that this cot of B is nothing but tan of 90 minus B. Tan of 90 minus B. As cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta. So if you substitute this in the expression, so this my original expression is tan of A equal to tan of 90 minus B. And since both of them have tan and tan common, so inside this theta will also be same. So which implies that this A equal to 90 minus B, and if you take B to in LHS side, it's another A plus B equal to 90 degree. Hence proved. I'm going to prove this only, and hence I have proved. Now fifth question is, if secant of 4a is equal to cosecant of a minus 20 degree, therefore is a acute angle, find the value of a. Find the value of a. So secant 4a, so you're given that you secant 4a equals cosecant a minus 20 degree. Cosecant a minus 20 degree. Now I can convert any of these things. So this I will take this cosecant. Let this I will cosecant theta is nothing but secant of 90 minus theta, which implies that cosecant theta equal to this cosecant a minus 20 degree is nothing but secant of 90 minus theta. Theta is a minus 20 degree. This is nothing but secant of 90 degree plus 20 degree minus a. This is nothing but secant of 110 minus a. Now if I substitute this value here, so I get the expression from here. This is secant 4 of a is nothing but secant of 110 minus a. So since both the LHS and RHS term have secant common, so the secant of theta is equal to secant of theta, so this both inside term theta will be same. So which implies that from here this is 4a equal to 110 minus a, which implies that if you take a from LHS, this is a, 4a plus a is 5a equal to 110 degree, which implies that a is nothing but 110 degree by 5. Within the 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 22 degrees. So value of a is 22 degree. Angle is a is 22 degree. And now the sixth question is, if ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine b plus c by 2 equal to cos a by 2. So it is given that ABC, triangle ABC, first need to draw this triangle to get an easy impression from this. This is A, B, C. These are interior angle of a triangle. This and this. And since this is our interior angle of triangle, you know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now in the expression, they are saying that we need to prove the sine b plus c by 2. That is, we need to prove that sine b plus c by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. Cos of a by 2. Now moving from this unit, this is from this, let me take this as 1. This is from 1, from expression 1. If I write this as a plus b plus c equal to 180 degree, so which implies that this is b plus c equal to 180 degree minus a. Now in this expression b plus c by 2, there is b plus c upon 2, which implies that this is b plus c by 2, nothing but 180 degree minus a whole 2. And if you individually distribute 2, this is nothing but this is 180 degree by 2 minus a by 2. The 180 degree by 2 is nothing but 90 degree minus a by 2. Now you want to substitute this value in this expression. So what it gives, that LHS. So if you know, this is sine of b plus c by 2 is nothing but sine of 90 degree minus a by 2. And you know that this sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this whole expression, will become in terms of cos. So this finally I will write it that this is sine of b plus c by 2, nothing but cos of theta, and here theta is a by 2. This is a by 2, which is I need to prove since this is equal, hence. Now 7th question, express 67 sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratio between 0 and 45 degree. 0 and 45 degree, this thing. So this is 7th question, that is sine 67 cos 75, sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. So you know that this sine of theta is nothing but cos of 90 minus theta, and if you substitute the value of theta as 67 degree, nothing but cos of 90 degree minus 67 degree, nothing but this is 20, this is cos 23 degree. And also you know that this cos of theta is nothing but sine of 90 minus theta, and it implies that is, if you take theta as to be 75 degrees, cos 75 degrees is nothing but sine of 90 degree minus 75 degree is nothing but sine of 15 degree. Now why I have chosen this, that this is given question that you need to express in this value in the range 0 to 45 degree. In this range you need to have the value of theta. Now you can see that both the 75 degree and 67 degree both are greater than 45. So the only solution left with me is that to convert this sine into cos term and this cos into sine term. This is my equation. Now if I finally substitute value, sine 67 is nothing but cos of 23 degree plus, and this cos 75 is nothing but sine of 15 degree, which is my answer. This is my answer. So here I have completed this exercise 8.3. So for exercise, we will next video. Thank you.